Hey seniors, my name is Miss Schmitz and I'm just popping into Miss Herman Hill's class today to say a quick hello and to let you know that I am here to help you and just kind of go over a quick little reminders and things that I can help you with. And so my role here at Washington is I am the 10th grade counselor, but in the past 7 years I have been the college and career counselor at Washington. And this year we have kind of split that up and we are a team. So Miss Mathowitz is your counselor, but I'm helping her, and so is Miss Vestrom, the 11th grade counselor. And then you may have seen on Schoology we also have Ms. Rushman, who is our school counseling intern, who is awesome and is also available to help you out. And so one of the things I wanted to let you know that we can help you with is college applications. And I do know that some of you have already applied to schools like St. Paul College, Century College, St. Cloud State, and many different schools around Minnesota. If you haven't applied though, I want to let you know today that it's okay. And there's still time, and maybe you don't know what you want to do, or maybe you're not sure if college is right for you. Set up a meeting with me and we can talk about the different paths that you have. The biggest thing is we just want you to be successful once you graduate from Washington and to go on and do bigger and better things. A college application isn't scary if you know your name and that you're a student at Washington and you know your address. You can fill out a college application. And if you set up an appointment with myself, for example, it probably would take us maybe 15 to 20 minutes to get one done. So if you've been scared, nervous, not sure what you're thinking about that, just pop me an email and I can help you out with that. One of the cool things that we do have in your class is a relationship with Century College. And Century College is awesome for our students that are in our ELL program at Washington. And by being in Miss Herman Hill's class, you are receiving college credit for it. So when you go, you might test into a higher level ELL course than if you weren't in this class. So it's really important you're showing up every day to Miss Herman Hill's class, doing your best work, because it will help you out in your future. And so in the next couple of months, we're going to be having some different speakers from Century College pop into your class and do visits. Some of them are former Washington students that have gone on to Century College, so they can answer questions that you have. One of the ESOL teachers at Century will be available to answer any questions that you have about Century College. We can do a virtual visit, a tour. You can pop on Century College's website anytime and look around. There's lots of options, and I just really love what Century College offers for students at Washington. It's a really good starting place if you're nervous about what college is like. It's a really good transition from Washington into college. And you might find a career that you like at Century that you might be done in 6 months, you might be done in a year, you might be done in 2 years. Maybe you have a goal of getting a bachelor's degree. Century College is a great place to start to get your 2 years of general education classes done and learn what college is like, so then you can transfer to a four-year college like Metro State, the U of M, St. Cloud State, River Falls, kind of wherever you have your goals set. And so lastly, here's my contact information. Pop me an email, set up a Google Meet with me. If you want to set one up with Ms. Rushman, Ms. Vestrom, Ms. Mathowitz, you can do that. We are available every day from 11 to 11:30 on a Google Meet called College 101, and all that information is on the Class of 2021 Schoology page. There's lots of resources on that page as well for you to be successful. So I just wanted to pop in, introduce myself to you, check in, let you know that I'm available to help you, and I hope that you are doing well.